Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. For tonight's meal, for tonight's dinner, for tonight's video, I am going to make some beef, vegetable, and barilla pasta. I have this kind of beef, and OMG, I love this beef because it has a lot of fat. This is not ribeye though. I think this is sirloin, so I'm not sure, but it has like fat on the end of the meat like this. See that? So yum yum yum. And then I have two different kind of cheese. It is cheddar cheese and mozzarella that is grated or shredded. And then I'm using my annatto powder for coloring, and I'm going to use probably more than 2 cups of water because I don't know how tough is our beef. And this one I'm not putting baking soda to tenderize it. So oh yeah guys, the baking soda, that's my trick. If my beef is really tough, that's what I use, the baking soda, because I don't like using the meat tenderizer, or I shouldn't say I don't like using it. I don't have some. But if you have meat tenderizer, the powder, you can use that. But the trick, if you don't have it and you have baking soda, you can use baking soda. And I'm also using probably only a teaspoon of the tomato paste because I have the achuete and some fresh tomatoes anyway. So we have the tomato, onion, garlic, carrots, celery, and the red bell pepper. So those are the vegetable: celery, red bell pepper, carrots. So those 3 are the vegetables for our pasta. So I'm boiling the water now for our pasta. So I'm just going to boil this one al dente, and then we're gonna start sauteing. So I put salt on our water. And for our seasoning guys, I'm just using the beef bouillon, salt and pepper, and of course our olive oil. Let me see if that's enough. Maybe a little bit more. So we have some left over for our lunch tomorrow. So we'll just boil this until it is al dente. We're gonna put our olive oil. I'm gonna put the garlic, the onions, and then the beef. Look at the fat, guys. Yum! We're just gonna cook that until golden brown before we put the achuete and the tomato. Okay, I'm going to put the tomato. Actually, I will put the tomato paste first before the achuete. So I can saute the tomato paste. Otherwise, I will get heartburn if I don't. Okay, now I can put the achuete. Then I'm going to put the water. I'm going to season it. Salt, pepper, and the bouillon powder. Beef bouillon powder. We're going to let that boil until the beef is very tender. Okay guys, I tasted the beef and it is really tender. So I'm going to put my vegetables now. All the vegetables. And I'm not going to cook this for a long time because I want my veggies a little crunchy. Ready to put the pasta, guys. That looks so yummy. See, that's why I didn't cook the pasta really soft, because I wanted to do this so it will absorb the sauce from here, or the broth. So it won't be really soft. The pasta, that is. I let that boil for a few minutes. I am going to put the cheese. Look at that. Maybe I'll save some cheese to put on top. How beautiful. Look at that. And it is done. it is, guys. Time for dinner. Bon appetit. Bon appetito. We are going to put some on our plate because I'm saving some for our lunch tomorrow. So I don't want to eat on this platter. Where's all the one with the fat? The one without fat, it will be for Chris. Get the one with all the fat. I'm just finishing my sparkling grape juice. Not much. We'll just use it all because it looked like there's no more sparkling. That's just grape juice, guys. It's strawberry grape juice. It's not real wine. You want me to put some on your plate?
Yeah.
He cannot wait, so let's not make him wait. Let's not make him wait. I'm putting all the ones that don't have fat for you. We'll put one fat so you can taste how good the fat.
Isa lang taba.
It's lang taba. This beef is a little fatty. Oh, it's so nice.
Oh!
Here. He's still on his robe, guys. He didn't change his clothes all day. So, you're welcome. So let's try the pasta first. Pasta's perfect. I cook it perfectly. Let's try the beef. Really tender. The fat is so tender that it melts in your mouth. The veggies are crunchy. More, guys, but I have to say bye so I can enjoy it. So easy enough, right, guys? So hey, here's a pasta dish for all of my pasta lovers out there. If I'm gonna make this for my sister Beth, the one that lives in Italy, I would put a little bit of sugar because she likes pasta with a little bit of sweet sauce. So, but anyway, it's not sour at all because I only put a teaspoon of the tomato paste, but it is so delicious. It is perfect. I cooked the pasta perfectly, so you should try this recipe, guys, if you love pasta. If you are new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to click the notification bell so you'll get notified, guys, when I have a new video. And here's our dinner for tonight, and half of it is probably for our lunch tomorrow. So thank you guys so much for watching. Till next time, bye for now.